The purpose of a PowerPoint presentation is to share information, but you can't share information if you're not engaging the people that you're sharing with. Animations can add engagement to your presentation, and adding an animation is simple. Let's start by taking a look at what an animation looks like. I'm going to play this presentation, and you can see the main screen comes up, and then just agenda. My audience this way can't get ahead of me as I'm talking about specific items. They're following along, and I can bring information into a PowerPoint or remove it from a PowerPoint as I'm going through it, each topic. Now, all of this came in together, and I can see in my slides over on the left-hand side this little star. This little star tells me there's an animation on this slide. I can also see on the slide the numbers associated. Now, this animation was an entrance animation, how something comes into the slide. But there are other animations that you can add. If I go to my animation tab at the top, I can see various items, and these ones are all green. Green is the entrance. And if I click the More button, you see entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. We're going to get to all of them, don't worry. Now, when you're adding something to your slide, let me jump over here to slide 3. Let's say I didn't want the title to come up until I was ready. I go to Add Animation, or I could just click from the drop down here. And I'm going to add in a split. By clicking here, it automatically adds it. But how do you know? Besides the little star and the number on the slide, you really don't know what animation's there. So the animation pane allows me to see what animations are playing on each individual slide. Now, there are other animations that I can add. For instance, an emphasis. I'm going to go back to slide 2. And let's say I wanted to emphasize the word welcome, just a single word. I'm going to highlight the word. I'm going to go to Add Animation. Here I see the same thing that's in that preview window or the selection window. And I can scroll down and pick any one I want. You'll notice here at the bottom as well, there are more options. These are the most commonly used. And if I want it to get darker, it will now get darker as I play. And notice now I have 2. There's a 1 and a 2 here next to welcome. On my animation pane, I have my content placeholder, my green, and my welcome emphasis. And as I hover over these in my animation pane, I can see which type it is. In this case, an entrance, fly in. Here I have an emphasis, darken the welcome. I can also add additional items. I can add exits, making something disappear. Let's make agenda disappear by using an exit animation. Now on here I have red, saying that this is going to disappear as I play through it. So let's take a look at what it will look like. Agenda comes up. My agenda comes up. Now it made the welcome a little darker. Notice it made the bullet black. And now agenda is going to disappear. This allows me to really see and manage everything as it appears, to make it stand out, to even make it disappear. Animations give you all the control of what your audience is able to see and when they can see it.
We hope this video helped. Make sure to click the thumbs up and click the subscribe button right here. and click the link above to check out our Limelight classes, a free virtual live training. See you in the next video.